Hey guys, this is Jair. I'm out with Chris right now because I'm at my house, and it's around 12:20, 21, yeah. And I wanted to make this video to tell you what we're gonna do in this video. In this video, we're gonna do a vlog from our whole day, from the morning from school to the end of the day, which we're gonna be at church with our youth. We're gonna sleep over, and we're gonna have a great day. And yeah, so tomorrow, like I was saying, we're gonna be at church, have a sleepover, and you're gonna be with our youth. We're gonna watch like movies, eat popcorn, and do a lot of things. And yeah, we're gonna have fun, and I hope y'all enjoy this vlog and enjoy what me and Christian are doing, because we're doing something new. He's gonna record himself in the morning and his phone. Yeah, I'm gonna record myself when I wake up, and we're gonna like mash it up and make one single video. And then in the end of the day, we're gonna be together. Then we're gonna vlog and we're gonna mash it up in the end. We're gonna be together, and then we're gonna finish the vlog together and with our youth. And y'all somewhat met our youth in our last video, and yeah, we're gonna be with them except Lisette, because Lisette is not in our church, but she comes sometimes and she's like really close to us. Yeah, but I hope y'all enjoy this video, and yeah, give it a like in the end of the video. Thanks.
What's up? Good morning. I'm getting ready for school, and I'm really tired. It's 7:15. I think it's 7:15. But yeah, school sucks.
Hey guys, this is our vlog for today, and I'm going to school, but it's pretty late. I'm going in the ending of second period, so yeah. But yeah, this is our vlog for today, and I just woke up. Everybody's at school. Yeah, I'm over here going in at the end of second period. So yeah, but I hope y'all enjoy our vlog, and today is gonna be a good day. We're gonna do a lot. I'll be recording in school, and then after school, me and Christian will come to my house, so we'll start recording here, and then after that, we're gonna go to church. I won't record during the service because it's a service of prayer, but after the service, I'll record because we're gonna have a sleepover, so we're gonna hang out with our youth. And so yeah, I hope y'all enjoy your video.
After this, we're going home?
No.
We're not?
Yes.
Oh, okay. We're at school. We're about to be late.
Yeah. Deuces.
See ya.
So we're out here
Making big things.
I know. We're in school. Yeah. It's really quiet. We don't see anyone here. And we're just waiting on our rides. So yeah. We got released early, but not like the other schools. They got released like at 12:30, at 12. They're lucky, but yeah. We get our education on.
No wonder we're smart.
Yup. But I mean, it's alright. At least we're not outside. We're not outside, you know. We're inside.
Guys, I didn't kick us out.
But yeah, we're here waiting for our ride. And today is a good day. Yeah, I think this is actually like the first vlog we actually do right. Because the last ones they were like really short, but this one is gonna be pretty long. So yeah. So yeah, this is Christian.
Yeah, I'm
This is me.
Vader.
So yeah, we're out here waiting for our ride.
I want donut.
Oh,
Donut?
oh yeah, look, this is his phone, guys. The one that he records his other videos with.
LOL. I'm getting my. We're getting a new camera,
Yeah, we're getting a new camera for videos. I'm using my phone.
which is the iPhone 7s Pro.
No, I'm using my iPhone 7 to record our videos right now. But he ordered
I ordered a camera, but it's really good. I forgot the name of it.
Yep. But we're getting a camera.
Shout out to the people from Mexico.
So yeah, and we're just waiting for our rides over here inside the school. We're pretty alone, but when we get to my house, we'll record another video and what we did at school. Yeah. So yeah. But yeah, I hope you are enjoying the video, and yeah, so we'll see you in a bit.
What's up?
We're back in my house.
Yeah, estamos en la casa de los vecinos.
So what's up, people? We're over here in my house, chilling, you know, the usual. And I think he's trying to be like a boxer or something.
Yeah, I am.
He's just ignore him.
I'm the next Rocky.
All right, he's not even real, but okay.
Yes, he is.
It's a movie, but it doesn't mean the person is real.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Well, I don't know. People told me it's not real, that box, but I mean, I guess so. So, yeah, we're in my house, chilling.
I'm gonna give you a tour of Jair's house.
No. You came in here, but okay. So,
I didn't want to be here.
what are you doing?
I don't know.
So, yeah. Are you trying to go to the military too? So yeah, we're in my house, waiting for the time.
No, we're trying to eat here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna eat in a bit. My mom's cooking macaroni and cheese. But yeah, what's it called? There's some batteries, I think.
Does that have batteries?
Yes, you don't see that big thing right there, like the bulky thing where you take out the ammo. No, not that. Yeah, that's the batteries. Okay, so like I was saying, oh yeah, it's in there, the ammo, but it's no batteries. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna eat, chillax, you know, the usual, and we'll probably record something if we do anything. Right now, I don't know, he's just messing through my stuff, you know, you see, he's just messing through my stuff, and yeah, I'ma just like chill, play the guitar a little, learn this new song that we might play at church. So we're gonna eat, just relax and wait until it's time to go to church. So yeah.
Maybe the zombie apocalypse is about to come.
It's apocalypse.
Yep, that works.
I bet most of y'all people know how to use this. He doesn't even know how to use it.
It comes out.
Let me see.
Oh. Yo, I ran out of bullets. Good luck.
Yeah. He's trying to shoot me. I don't know what he's on. Is he on or something?
One of them fell over here.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys later. And if we do something, we'll come back. So yeah. Oh, alright. You're recording on your ratchet phone.
Anyways, so
Recording my phone.
you're using that.
Oh yeah. Nope.
This is my grandma. This is my aunt.
Chore cachetero este.
Lete con Rafa se casa. Lete con Rafa. Grandma sleep with you. With both of these.
You're so dumb.
Oh,
What the heck?
choro no dice nada.
This is our vlog.
Yeah, it's not Facebook. It's not
Walking?
It's for YouTube.
YouTube.
Oh yeah, I edit
This
my
is Jonathan.
videos. The manager.
This is our manager.
Yo tengo mi canal. ¿Cómo se llama tu canal?
JC Music.
JC.
JC.
I'm still gonna
Jair and
pop
Christian.
you. I'm still gonna pop you.
Oh yeah. So like how I said in the last videos, we're gonna eat popcorn and watch a movie. Elmar, say hi to YouTube.
¿Tienes sal o no?
I love this. I
For
love
YouTube. Hey.
Ah.
Sorry. I'm recording this in 4K. It takes a lot of video. I got a 32. Buy iPhone 7. So yeah.
We can't use our we can use our phones right now, but we can't use them later. So we're not gonna be able to vlog tomorrow. Hey guys. Hey Giselle. Hey Shayla.
Hi.
Oh, you have Netflix now?
She's not watching Netflix.
What is she watching? A novela?
YouTube. You don't.
I saw that. You slapped her.
No, wait. Stupid. I forgot.
¿Cuántos seguidores tienes?
We have
0?
Yeah, we got 0.
Nah, we got like 30 something.
Can I follow you?
yeah.
Subscribe.
But it's hard to find. Thanks, Jonathan.
No, we're not tomando fotos. This is for YouTube. So yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Then I GoPro.
Thank you, Yair.
Hey, you were stealing my burger. Hey, no. Dale una mordida.
No, they already took that.
So guys, I'll be recording a bit. I'm gonna eat. So yeah, see ya. Whoa, hello.
Snowing. As you
Snowing.
can see.
Yeah.
Unless it's late.
It's snowing.
Unless you're doing a photo shoot.
We're probably not gonna go to school on Monday, most likely.
Here, hold my blanket.
Dude, get outside, it's cold. So yeah.
It's snowing.
Yeah, ignore that. Okay, so hi.
Go sleep outside a bit.
Yeah. This is our vlog. So yeah, one of our videos.
Ow, Chris!
Chill out! Why you through snow?
It's throw.
You're
Okay.
dumb.
Hey, look,
Bravo, you won a prize.
No, I want.
I didn't even throw it. Let me push
No,
you.
listen.
Chill out.
No, I'm kidding.
I'm just gonna show it to y'all. There, you wanna feel snow? No, we already.
I want to feel it.
Lo ponemos de ver.
Well, we're done for today because they're taking up our phones. So good night, and we'll probably post a video soon.